This video is about how to prepare your sample for scanning electron microscopy. And sample preparation for scanning electron microscopy is less an issue as for transmission electron spectroscopy. Therefore, this video will be rather short. For scanning electron microscopy, your sample must be conductive and it must be dry. Conductive because if not, electrons would build up and you won't see anything but bright light. Dry because you work under high vacuum. If your sample is not dry, the whole thing about why we work under high vacuum will become obsolete. Why? The answer is mean-free path. To obtain a conductive surface, you usually use a sputter coater. You put your uncoated sample inside and get a metal-coated sample out. Gold or silver is commonly used as conductive coating in a layer thickness of 1 to 10 nanometers. Some advanced SEM instruments do not require the sample to be coated with a metal layer. They are called Environmental Scanning Electron Microscope or SEM. The main difference is a lower vacuum, which means a higher pressure inside the chamber, and a detector that was slightly adjusted. However, these instruments are not so easy to operate and therefore you need skilled personnel. Drying a sample is more relevant if you want to analyze living cells or organisms. However, a dry sample does also mean to wear gloves whenever touching samples or touching something inside the sample chamber. So please be aware of that because you have sweat on your hands. If you need to dry a sample, you can use air drying, critical point drying or freeze drying. I spare you the details. If you are interested, you have to look it up yourself. But if you ever have to dry a sample, then be aware of shrinkage that occurs. It is quite severe for air drying, which you can see in the images of this water flue here. Well, that's it. More or less easy sample preparation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.